Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at these two JBuddies Pop 2-in-1 wireless and wired kids headphones. And if you want to quickly find out if any kids touched the boxes already, yeah. Oily fingerprint probably from some chocolate or something. So daughters already took a quick look on this other one, not fingerprints yet. Took a quick look at them, but I will open them first, make a video for you, and then they can have them. Just a bit of info about them. So they are supposed to have quite nice cushioning. We'll see that in a moment. 48 hours plus of wireless playtime. That's huge and it's awesome. And they also have safe settings for volume at 85 decibels or 95. That's good because kids will just crank the volume. They don't really care about hearing protection, but you can set them from the app and there's nothing they can do to override it. Clear calls with noise cancelling mics. Yes, they can also do I don't know, calls. Basically you can talk to somebody with your headphones, not using directly your phone. Obviously headphones connected via Bluetooth to phone, but I'm thinking everybody knows how to use something like this by now. Anyway, you can listen wired if you want, with a standard 3.5mm aux cable, but that will just transmit audio. It will not also transmit microphone data. So while you are plugged in, calling is not available. They can also LabShare your audio to compatible JLab headphones. So in theory, our daughters, if they want to, they can both of them listen to the same thing, which is actually pretty cool. So if they are watching, I don't know, let's say I put cartoons for them on a tablet or a laptop, I can connect both headphones to that device, use this, so both of them will actually hear the same thing wireless, and the rest of us, there's quiet all around. So yeah. And they are adjustable and also foldable, which is really nice for easier packing when going in vacations, for example. So yeah, the two modes for listening on them, and a bit more info right here. And let's get into the box. One of them already started to open up, and I really like the colors. I think they are called pastel colors. So nice, soft colors. Not anything extra flashy. Okay, box is empty. Oh, not empty. Sorry about that. From this one we will just keep the headphones themselves, because the rest, cable and manual and that stuff, is identical for both of them. So easier to work like this. All the info right here, feel free to pause and read it as you need. Also the back of it. But for me, what I want to see, yeah, this is soft. This is really soft. Okay, so they have adjustment on this direction. Lock in place right here. Quite nice locking mechanism. Rotating also adjustment. What side is this? So this is right side, this is left side. Also soft cushion right here. Adjustment. Both sides I'm expecting. Yes, both sides obviously. Type C for charging. 3.5mm jack. This one doesn't have any controls on it. All the controls are here, so I'm guessing on off and volume up and down. JLab. Let's see. Yeah, if you want to put them down while they are unfolded, you can do so like that. the cable itself, nothing else in this right here. Okay, let's see, length of the cable. This is kind of a silicone variant, so that's actually pretty nice. Length, I would say most likely 1 meter by my let me show you like this. So they are 4 times, and I have about 22 centimeters between this and this. So yeah, plus this, yeah, 1 meter cable. Don't even need to measure that more exactly with a ruler or something. Okay, nice. I really want to hear them, and I freaking love the colors. And the interesting decision in here, the not leather, the how do they call it? They don't call it fake leather. Mostly companies have a different kind of word for it, but I cannot remember it now. This is lighter in color than the plastic. In here they went the other way around, because otherwise they would have been too dark to have all of this a dark blue. So they decided to change a little the color scheme between these two, and I think it actually worked quite nicely. Yes, the cables, even on the pink ones, are the cable is still blue. So the cable is not color matching, whereas the other one, so you don't think I'm telling something wrong here. So yeah, but you can buy something like this if you really want to color match, but these things, I'm 99% sure you will be using them without a cable. But this, just in case battery is drained and you really want to listen for something. Just wanted to show you something. Potentially, by holding plus and minus at the same time for 5 seconds, kids could switch the volume limit, but I doubt they can figure that out by themselves unless you are telling them. So from volume plus, obviously volume. If you press and hold, it will go to next track. From volume minus, press and hold previous track. From the round button, the power button, you have play, pause, answer, hang up, reject if you press long for 1 second, power for 3 seconds, Bluetooth pairing for 8 seconds, and to go into Siri or Google, double tap it. And in here, how to use the share mode and colors for charging. And here we are, and let me see. Here they are. Yep, there. And they just told me Bluetooth connected, and I think something about battery. But they actually reported here. And I just disconnected them by mistake. Let me go here. But they say battery full. So yeah. Okay, perfect. Let's listen to some music and get back to you. And I will try to somehow also make you listen to some music. Okay, let me try and give you a glimpse of what I heard. So my wife's S23 Ultra has a top mic and a bottom mic right here. I'm going to try and put the headphones on both sides of this, like they would be on your ears. Obviously, it's not the same, but at least you should get an idea of what I'm hearing right here. It's the best that I can do with what I have. My impression, honestly, for kids' headphones, I wish I had kids' headphones sounding this good when I was a kid. Zero chance, those sounded awful compared to this. Back in the day, they are really balanced. They have bass but not overwhelming. Basically, they have a kind of mid setting on the equalizer. So it's all the frequency, you get all of them. Nothing is too much, nothing is too less. Really, yeah, it's basically what you would want for kids. no playing around with any settings. And yes, I cranked the volume by holding this for 5 seconds to 95 decibels. I don't feel it's too much for what they are. Yes, you could leave it at 85, it's up to you. I did crank it just a tiny bit, and the headphones will tell you that you changed the volume limit, so that's pretty nice, really nice. And overall, throughout their lineup, they have the same type of giving vocal messaging when changing settings on Bluetooth speakers, on headphones like this, on smaller, how are they called? Stuff like this that's charging, that you put directly in earbuds. I couldn't find the word. Non-native English speakers, so sometimes words are not coming right at me. Anyway, they have a really well put together ecosystem, and everything seems to be in line with the rest of stuff, and I like that from a brand. So yeah, let me try and give you a bit of sound test with these. This is the song, so Sci-Fi Industries, Houseway, playing. Hopefully I got the volume right. So right headphone, left. Let's see what you get. Yes, obviously these are made for child's heads, so they are a bit smaller. I needed to lengthen them to the max, and I don't like to open them this much. Yes, they went on my head and they went over the phone, but yes, they are made for kids, and that's normal. So now let me see if I can actually, how was it? Press these 5 times to make them play the same thing at the same time. Am I getting that right? So yes, they are connected. First one is connected to the device. Second one, press and hold until it flashes blue and red. Oop, my bad. JLab on. Ready to pair, so I don't need to press 8 seconds because it wasn't paired to anything up until now. And now I press it 5 times and it will blink blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, it needs to be done faster, so keep that in mind. And on the first ones I need to also press 5 times, and it will be solid blue once connected. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sharing. So they said sharing. In theory, now both of them will get same sound, although only these are connected to the phone. Let me test that. Let's play that song once again. One moment. Let's see. Playing. Let me check the volume. Do you hear them? But they are limited to 85 decibels, so to change the limit, and now I think we should have, yep, instantly more volume. So and there's no delay. They are literally playing at the same time. Not sure how much this comes up on sound and video. There's no delay. I'm not sure how much of the sound quality gets passed through from one to the other, if there's any compression or something like that, but there's no delay, or something that small that I cannot really hear it. So yeah, they will not be bothered one of them hearing quicker than the other or anything like that, or a delay in watching a movie or something like that between headphones. Nope, no issue whatsoever ever like that. Nice. So now both playing exactly the same, but only these are connected to the phone. And interestingly enough, they both have volume control individually, so they are not linked together in volume control. They are just transmitting raw music data, raw audio data, not volume. So this can have higher or lower than this, and this at the same time higher or lower than this, which is freaking great in my opinion. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Obviously you can unpair them from one to the other and pair them to other devices, no problem whatsoever. And if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I will always do my best to answer. Thanks again JLab for sending this in. Daughters will put them to good use, and I'm sure they will like them. Sound, again, for kids, there's nothing bad about it whatsoever. It's more than enough for what kids want, and weirdly enough for most adults probably it would be also enough, but obviously they are smaller in size, so yeah. Anyway, but that's about it. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask, and as always, see you in the next video. Bye.